Hey, lovely soul. You have entered a phase where things are going to come together for you, probably when you least expect it. The impossible will suddenly become possible. Get ready to receive your blessings. Type yes if you are ready. Make healthy changes in your life that will benefit you long term. Check in with your body and soul. What do they need most right now? Allow your answers to guide you. Type yes if you needed this. Have more faith in yourself. Be proud of how you have navigated every curveball life has thrown at you. Your inner resilience and strength have gotten you through. You are an inspiration for others. Type yes if you needed this, and also subscribe God's Manifesto 1111.